The Deputy Chief and Transport Minister Sniawbhalang Dhar today held a special meeting with the representatives of Airport Authority of India to chalk out for the improvement and proposed expansion of Umroi Airport. Dhar informed that for the expansion of Umroi Airport, there are some guidelines needed to be cleared by the central government. Then after that, the state government will be able to proceed for the expansion of Umroi Airport. Additional land of about 16 acres will be acquired for the expansion of Umroi Airport and 6 acres of land to be acquired for a parking bay, he added.
The possibilities kadon ang madon ka ko ani pati habang ikan bersokar ya lembaga sendiri action industry namara kartung drawing ka plan tila layout apa ini kartung berintimeter sobre tila dalam imatkan long possibility ban expand airport and they don't ka tu ani pati guidelines sebab ya keren berbagai union women campaign action ka tu ani kan prosedur expansion maka expansion kat kung sorry wala mentan bagi lapi import kadon gala expand seni dia the plus to hab acquire kung mas khandru akar bat ka extra additional land bat ndriu akar ga parking bay juga airport